Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Create a modest calorie deficit of 300 to 500 kcal per day to lose fat while preserving muscle. Start by estimating maintenance calories using a simple calculator or baseline tracking for 1 week, then subtract 300 to 500 kcal to promote steady loss without excessive hunger. Aim for 0. 7 to 1. 0 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily, roughly 1. 6 to 2. 2 g/kg. To protect lean mass. Distribute carbs and fats to match activity. Higher carbs on training days, 20 to 35% of calories from fat, and adjust weekly. Prioritize resistance training 3 to 5 times weekly to maintain muscle and increase metabolic rate. Focus on compound lifts, 6 to 12 reps for hypertrophy and occasional heavier sets for strength, and keep sessions efficient at 30 to 60 minutes. Incorporate 150 minutes of moderate cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous cardio weekly for additional calorie burn, split across sessions you enjoy. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly to support recovery and hormonal balance for fat loss. And schedule rest days. Track food intake with a simple app and aim for consistent daily calories over weekly averages, which reduces guesswork and highlights trends. Use progressive overload, increase weights or reps gradually every 2 to 4 weeks, and log workouts to ensure steady stimulus. Include high-volume vegetables, 20 to 30 grams of fiber per day, and hydrate with 2 to 3 liters of water to improve satiety and digestion. Prioritize consistency. Small, sustainable changes compound over months and are the foundation of lasting fat loss results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.